Hi Ava,
Hi Franz.
how are you?
Good.
Okay, you brought us something very extraordinary.
Yes, I did. Well, a friend of mine is an orthopedic and he ordered this last week. And this is some really expensive equipment, so it needs to be well protected.
Okay.
And that's how it arrived. And I thought it was so cool, I need to show you.
All right, let's look at it. Let's have this little tray with some extra parts, I see, yeah?
Yes.
And you have the handgun for the treatment.
Okay, nice.
And then...
Oh, so that's
is
the
the
main
main
part. Wow,
It's
okay.
super heavy, yeah?
Oh,
Wow.
that's amazing. And down
Cable
here.
below.
Yeah, wow, okay. That's
And
super
all of this
cool.
eco-friendly packed. And you have some
Yeah.
part there as well.
Last time he ordered stuff like this arrived. So
Okay.
no plastic anymore.
Great.
Amazing.
Thank you so much for sharing this and see you next time.
Yeah, see you. Bye.
Bye-bye.